Today I want to speak about our approach, or we think the better approach to resolve problems in organization or systems that are more complex. So I think that we all already realize that the world is becoming more and more complex, which means that there are many more parts which are interdependent, autonomy, and they have their own autonomy, and they are diverse as well. And though this diversity and autonomy and interlinked create environment or organization that it's very hard to predict how they're going to behave in the future, although you might have very good understanding of every element in the system. And for many years we used analysis as the best practice. That's still what they're going to teach you at school, in order to resolve problems that are more complicated, not complex. And the main difference between complicated and complex problems, that complicated have many elements, but their behavior is predictable, while complex, the behavior is not predictable. And if you want to resolve complex problem and you are using tools that meant to resolve complicated problem, obviously you're not going to find the root cause of a problem. And the reason is that in complicated problem, there isn't so much importance to how elements in the system are interconnect one to each other. While in complex system, there is a lot of importance to how elements in the system are connected together. So what we suggest is, when you are starting to deal with a complex problem, you have to use an Yin-Yang approach. You have to start not with the classical analysis, which is breaking stuff apart. You have to start with synthesis, which is actually combine everything together, mainly by understanding how they are interlinked. Once you understand that, once you manage to resolve all the problems that related to how elements in the system are interlinked, just then you can do the other part of the Yin and Yang and do analysis in order to find out if there are any elements of improvement within a certain element in the system. That's all. I hope that it helps. Bye.